Beta, good morning, all of you. Beta, yesterday we have completed the property. The first property, just I have revising you. The first property was the value of the determinant remain unchanged if its row and column are interchanged. अगर हम रो और कॉलम को इंटरचेंज करते हैं, ठीक है, then the value of determinant remain unchanged. The second property was if any two rows of a determinant are interchanged, then the sign of the determinant changes. ठीक है, if we any two row or any two column if we interchange, ठीक है, then the value of the determinant changes with sign. The third property was if any two rows of a determinant are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. अगर in any determinant if we get two rows and or two columns exactly same, then the value of the determinant will be equal to 0. The next property was fourth, if each element of a row of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then the value of the multiplied by k. If we multiply any determinant by any constant to any row or into any column by k, then the value of the determinant is multiplied by the constant. The next property property sum or element of a row of a determinant are expressed as a sum of two terms, then the determinant can be expressed as a sum of two determinants. ठीक है, if we can express any row or any column as a sum, then we can divide both the determinant in two parts. ठीक है, the value of the determinant will be same. ठीक है, the sixth property, if each element of any row or column of a determinant the eq multiples of corresponding element of other row are added, then the value of determinant remains the same. ठीक है, अगर हम ऐसा करें कि in any row if we multiply by ठीक है some constant k and then we can add to any row, the value of the determinant remains same. So these are the six properties which we can use whenever we require. So how we will use whenever I'm just going to use them. ठीक है, so I will just indicate the property which property we are using by the name only, but in exam you have to write the property. The first question, we have to use property to solve this one. X plus a y plus b, similarly z plus c. ठीक है, these are the rows and these are columns. So what property we should use? We know that we can add any row to any column, any row to any row, ठीक है, or any column to any column. So we can just we want to make the XYZ here. Here is the XYZ is also there. ABC where from the operation we are using this one. We are operating in C3. In C3 we are subtracting C2. ये operation we are adopting. We are subtracting C2 from C3. What will be the result? The result will be X plus, देखिए, this will be only X, Y, B, then becomes Y, Z, C or Z. ठीक है, but we know that if two rows, any two row or any two column are identical, the value of the determinant equal to 0. क्यों? By property, कौन सी property हमने, that was the P. Here property we have used, here we have used the property P5 or P6. ठीक है, because we have added the by multiplying with minus sign. So this is the property. Just I am telling you, this is a property. The number is maybe different from different books, but we are using the NCERT book, so we are just indicating by this book only. Okay, that is the property P6. Okay, so यहाँ you can mention by कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज की हमने by P6. This the value of the determinant equal to 0 because C1 and C3 are identical. ठीक है, आप इसमें क्या लिख सकते हो as C1 and C3 are identical, so the value of the determinant equal to 0. So this is the first question that we have used the two properties P6 and P3. P6 में we have added second column by multiplying with minus sign -1. ठीक है, we have added to C3. That's why we get the two identical columns. C1 and C3 are identical by property 3B3. The value of the determinant is equal to 0. ठीक है, as I have used, you can use these property, all 6 property, and you will get the answer. The next part, I am just taking the second question. In second question, we have A minus B and P minus C or C minus A, B minus C or C minus A. Similarly, it is equal to, oh sorry, it is next one B minus C, C minus A or A minus B, C minus A minus B or B minus C. ठीक है, these are different terms. If we expand this, so it will take more time to calculate. ठीक है, if we use the property, then it becomes very easy. ठीक है, if we add all the terms in R1, I am applying what R1 plus R2 plus R3. हमने क्या अडॉप्ट किया है, तीनों में हमने क्या किया, तीनों रोज को वी आर एडिंग इन R1. If we add R1 plus R2 plus R3, what we will get? We will get equal to 0. It is also 0. It is also 0. देखो, if we add A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A, C से C cancel, A से A cancel, B से B cancel. Similarly, the all term will be equal to 0. But remaining rows we will write as it is B minus C, C minus A, or A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C. But if all the element of any row is 0 or any column, the value of the determinant is equal to 0. Because if we expand through first row, so we have to multiply with 0, the value of the multiplication we will get again 0. You can remember it, you know, either if you expand it, the value of the determinant after multiplying with 0 sign, it becomes 0. So this question is, I have completed second one, which was very simple. Now we just take the next one. Third question. So you have to remember all these properties. What property we are using, you can mention, you have to mention. Okay? Just the names here. But in exam, you have to try, if it is 1 mark question or 2 mark question, there is no need to write the property. But it is a 3 marks or 4 mark question, you have to write the property also. Unnecessary, we should not deduct the marks. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, थर्ड क्वेश्चन में यू जस्ट सी 2 3 5 7 8 9 65 75 and 86. We have to prove that it is equal to 0, है ना? इसकी value we have to using the property, ठीक है, without expanding prove that. So we have to prove this is equal to 0, ठीक है. So what operation we are adopting? ठीक है, 2 3 5, तो 2 3 7 8 अगर हम माइनस करते हैं कोई रिलेशन नहीं बनना, तो अगर हम इसमें से C3 में से if we apply C3 minus 7 9 ja 9 C2, what will happen? Just see first 2 3 5 7 8 9, ठीक है, और 65 यानी कि 63 we are minus out of 65 we will get 2. 8 9 ja 72 we get 3, और 9 9 ja 81 we get 5. तो यहाँ which property we have used? We have used property P6. Here we are using two columns are identical C1 and C3. ठीक है, कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी से? बाई प्रॉपर्टी P3 the value of the determinant equal to 0. ठीक है, ये हमारी वैल्यू कितनी आ रही? 0 ही हमें प्रूव करना था. ठीक है, तो ये आपको जब whenever you will try to solve yourself, then you get the idea what property we should use. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 111. You have to use 111 BC CA AB and this is A. इसको ब्रैकेट को ओपन करके आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग AB प्लस AC and BC plus BA and CA plus CB. ठीक है, just I have opened the bracket in third column and we get the third column this one. So what should we do if we get the all the terms same? If I add C3 and C2, so I will get AB plus BC plus CA, है ना? Similarly I get here AB plus BC plus CA here also. So we can use this property. We are using property in C3 plus C2, that is property P6. In most of the questions we are using this property. ठीक है, तो what we will get? We will get 1 1 1 BC CA and AB, it is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. ठीक है, here also you will get AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. ठीक है, now AB plus BC plus CA we are getting all terms are same, so we can multiply, we can take out this AB plus BC plus CA, yeah, or either we can take common from this column. So we will get, what we will get? We will get, here I am writing AB plus BC plus CA. Just, okay, it will be better I just write it above side. AB plus BC plus CA. We are taking this term common. in the third column. So what we will get? We will get AB 111, BC, CA, AB and 111. ठीक है, AB क्योंकि we can take lambda times, है ना, we have done the k times. If it is a multiple of AB plus BC plus CA, the value of the determinant will be k times of the determinant. So now we are observing that two columns are identical, है ना. So by the property of P3, ठीक है, so we can put it is equal to 0. If two rows or two columns are identical, जैसे we have done here, ठीक है, 2 3 5, first column and third column are same. Here also first column and third column are same. The value of the determinant will be 0. ठीक है. Now we will take the next question. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है बेटा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में है B plus C C plus A and A plus B. Similarly Q plus R plus P, P plus Q, X, Y plus Z, Z plus X और X plus Y. ठीक है, we have to prove. क्या प्रूव करना है? We have to prove equal to twice of determinant APX B Q Y C R Z. We have to prove this one. For proving this one, ठीक है, first of all we can use this relation. In R1 we can use, in R1 we are applying R1 plus R2 plus R3. ठीक है, this is the property by P6. If we add all the terms, what will we get? We will get 2A plus B plus C twice of P plus Q plus R plus next one twice of X plus Y plus Z. ठीक है, ये इसके बाद what we are doing, we are in second row as it is C plus A, R plus T and Z plus X. Next one is A plus B, T plus Q and X plus Y. ठीक है, now we can take common. What common we can take? 2 we can take common. 2 को हमने बाहर ले लिया. उसके लेने के बाद what we are doing, we are applying this operation. In R1 में we are subtracting, sorry, R2 में we are subtracting R1 और R3 में भी we are subtracting R1. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, R2 में से भी और R3 में से भी we are subtracting यानी कि R2 में हमने ऑपरेशन क्या किया है, R2 माइनस R1, और R3 में वी आर ऑपरेटिंग R3 minus R1. We have taken common in first step. In next step, we are doing this one. Because of the shortage of space, okay, I have done both work in one step. First of all, you have to take two common, okay, in first row. After that, you have to operate this one. ठीक है, तो R2 में से R1 माइनस करते हैं, then it is A plus B plus C. This is P plus Q plus R. This is X plus Y plus Z. If we subtract R2 minus R1, what will be? Minus VGP. It is equal to minus minus Q. It is equal to minus Y. It is equal to minus C. It is equal to minus R. It is equal to minus Z. ठीक है, ये हमें जो हमें लाना था, देखो बी क्यू वाई और सी आर जेड से माइनस के साइन का फर्क है। और फर्स्ट रो जो है वो अभी हमारे पास नहीं आई है, दैसो वी आर अप्लाइंग इन R1. इन R1 वी आर अप्लाइंग व्हाट, R1 में वी आर ऑपरेटिंग R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3. ठीक है, तीनों को वी आर एडिंग ऑल द थ्री रोज, ठीक है, इन R1. तो व्हाट विल हैपन, इट इज इक्वल टू 2 minus b minus c को if we add that it becomes A, it is P, or it is X. Now we can take common minus here. If we take minus common here and minus इधर, तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस ही हो जाएगा. तो we have taken common minus 1, BQR, BQY and CRZ, which is equal to right hand side. ठीक है, यही हमें प्रूव करना था. ठीक है, देखो हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने इसमें वी हैव डन द सो मैनी ऑपरेशन. In first of all, we have added all the terms, all the rows in first row. ठीक है, in R1 we have applied R1 plus R2 plus R3. ठीक है, by using the sixth property. After adding, we have taken two common. ठीक है, two only common we have taken. We have subtracted R2 minus R1 from R1. We have subtracted from R2 and R1 subtracted from R3. So after subtraction, we get minus B, these terms. So now we have added in R1. So after adding, we get the A, P, X. If we take minus common, so minus sign will come here. You know? So minus sign will come in first row. Means if we take common, so minus will come. But in third row also we are taking minus common. So minus 1 to the power 2 हो जाएगा. That's why it is coming positive. ठीक है, that is we have to prove. So which is equal to right hand side. So we have completed this fifth question. So you have to take care. You just try to solve examples and other some questions from other books. Then it will be clear more. ठीक है. Now I am just doing the next question, that is sixth one. देखिए सिक्स क्वेश्चन है आपका 0 A minus B minus B A minus C or BC 0, we have to prove it is equal to 0. ठीक है, if we let it is equal to A, we are assuming that it is a determinant A. We know that the determinant of A or value of determinant of transpose is always same. ठीक है, तो determinant of A or determinant of transpose of A, it should be equal. Now we are doing the transpose of A, it is equal to 0 A minus B minus B A minus C B C 0. ठीक है, तो इट इज इक्वल टू ए बिकॉज द ट्रांसपोज का डिटरमिनेंट निकाला है या उसका डिटरमिनेंट निकाले हैं, बोथ आर सेम. तो ये हमने ट्रांसपोज किया है. ये फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी से भी आप कर सकते हो बाई प्रॉपर्टी 1 बाई P1. P1 क्या थी कि अगर इफ वी गेट द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स और द डिटरमिनेंट द वैल्यू रिमेन सेम. इफ वी चेंज रोज इनटू कॉलम एंड कॉलम इनटू रोज, the value of the determinant unchanged. ठीक है, so we have done this one. Now we are taking minus 1 common. देखिए we have done this में 0 A minus B A minus C B C 0. I think I am not written something wrong. 0 A minus B minus A है, सॉरी ये minus A -A 0 minus C B C 0. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा आपका, ये माइनस ए है. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग -1 कॉमन फर्स्ट रो से भी और -1 थर्ड रो से भी, सेकेंड रो से भी थर्ड रो से भी. तो इट बिकम 0 A minus B. We have multiplied by minus sign. Here we have taken -1 common from first row and -1 common from second row also. ठीक है, 0 A minus A or minus A. If we take common minus A, then it becomes minus A. I think it is minus A. Zero minus A B. A is 0 है, sorry. It is 0. ठीक है, we are taking 0 minus common. ठीक है, minus, then it becomes minus A 0 minus C. Here we are also taking minus common, so it is becoming B C or 0. Now just you observe it. It is -1 to the power 3. Now it is becomes -1. Now you just see what will be the matrix determinant A. 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0. Yani this is the determinant A, what we have started in the beginning. Then it is equal to minus A. It is equal to A we have taken. Because it, okay, by property 1 you can use this one, either you can use this one also. Okay, A equal to minus A. Now it becomes 2A equal to 0. 2A equal to 0, then 0 by 2 it is equal to 0, which is equal to right hand side. So we have proved question number 6, ठीक है, by using the property. Just you check again what we have done. We have done nothing. We know that the by property 1, if we change row into column, column into row, then it is equal to the determinant of A. ठीक है, don't